Soap in Seconds Foaming Hand Soap is a portable hand cleanser that will wash dirt, oil, and grease completely off your hands. Regular hand washing is vital to protect yourself from illness and prevent the spread of germs. Soap in Seconds is gentle on hands and leaves no residue. No rinsing is necessary, and this product contains no harsh alcohol, only soap and water. This product comes in an aerosol can, so it's ready to apply in an instant. A single 14-ounce can will provide up to 250 washings. Soap in Seconds comes as a ready-to-use foaming cleanser and requires no additional tools. To use Soap in Seconds, shake the can well. Turn and release the cap actuator on the top of the can, then press to release foam. Apply a golf ball size amount of foam to the palm of your hand, then massage the product into your skin. Simply massage until the foam is no longer visible, or you can also rinse the foam off with water. If your hands are heavily soiled, just repeat these steps until sufficiently cleaned. With Soap in Seconds, you'll have access to soap and water anywhere you go. Use this product when outdoor dining, tailgating, camping, at the gas pump, or when doing any sorts of hands-on work, including auto work. Soap in Seconds can be used anytime you need to clean your hands quickly. This product is great to have on hand anytime and is perfect for anyone who needs an extra level of cleanliness on a day-to-day basis. Soap in Seconds is safe to use and poses no threat to health or safety when used according to its label directions. Avoid contact with the eyes. Keep in mind this product is pressurized. Avoid storing in high heat or in direct sunlight.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.